Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Four of Cups. Okay. So we have Four of Cups, Libra people, this is your current energy, and we have Five of Swords, this is your partner's current energy. So with this Four of Cups card, Libra people, I feel that you are ignoring something, or you are being very silent towards something. Perhaps somebody is trying to be with you, trying to be in your life. Okay, perhaps this is the divine connection which you are ignoring. Perhaps this person has come, come and go from your life so many times, but you are not understanding why they do such things, or why this thing happens, why they come and go from my life. Okay, but bottom line is that I'm feeling that you are not getting what divine is offering you. Okay, you are being very ignorant at this point of time. You have closed your eyes completely, you don't want to open your eyes, or perhaps you are deliberately closing your eyes that I don't want to see this person, or I don't want to be with this person, or I don't want to be in this relationship. So something is there, somebody is there with from whom you are just either you don't want them, or you are just ignoring them, or you don't want to be with them in any kind of relationship. Okay, so you are doing nothing, you are just sitting quiet, you are just sitting silent. Okay, you are doing nothing here, you're not even thinking about anything right now. You are just trying to ignore this offer, you are just trying to ignore your person, you are just trying to ignore this relationship, right? But the thing is that this offer is from divine, this is a divine offer. Okay, it's better to, I mean, uh, keep this relationship. Okay, it's better, before they leave you, or before this divine offer is vanished from your life. Okay, don't be silent, take some action in life, right? Libra, this is your person's and current energy. We have Five of Swords. Libra, I feel they have given up on you. They have completely given up on you. Now they are not thinking about you. Now uh, they are not waiting for you anymore. Okay, it is you who has cut them out from your life. It is you who has cut all the communications with your person, and your person who was like so much, your person was waiting for you for a very long time. Now they have given up on you, that it's nothing. They feel that it is just a completely waste of time for them to wait for somebody who is not willing to put their efforts in this relationship. Okay, see, this is your current energy. I told you that you are being ignorant in this relationship. You don't want to see this person, or you are ignoring this divine connection. Okay, now your person is like so much fed up. Okay, this person does not want you anymore. Okay, if you don't want them in your life, similarly they also don't want you anymore. They have moved out from your life. They have basically given up on your silence, they have given up on your ignorance. Okay, they say that with this Five of Swords card, they feel they have, thrown they have already given their swords. Okay, they don't want to fight with you, they don't want to talk with you, they don't want you in their life. That's what I'm feeling, Libra. Okay, so they have moved out, they have given up on you. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, Libra. How you see them and how they see you. Libra people with this Ace of Wands card, you see them as somebody who is very energetic to take certain action. Okay, they are being somebody, or they are somebody in your opinion that who never hesitate to take certain actions. They are fearless, they are energetic, they are somebody who can, create wonders. Apart from that thing, Libra, you also see them as somebody who has started something new in their life, or they are willing to start something new in their life, right? So yes, with this Ace of Wands, you see them as somebody who is always who has a great zeal to learn something new. Okay, to do something new in life, right? On the other hand, Libra, your person feels about you, or your person sees you as somebody with this Three of Pentacles, that you are with somebody else. They feel it is a third party situation. They feel ignorant because they feel that you are on an emotional level, you are with somebody else. This is the only reason, that's why you are not trying to, or you are not willing to put your efforts towards them. Okay, so your silence, your ignorance is giving them this hint that you are with somebody else. They see you as a player, they see you as somebody who who is with somebody else. It is a third party situation. That's why they are feeling ignorant. That's why they are feeling that okay, so this could be the reason. Then I mean, this could be the reason, that's why my Libra is not investing their emotion and their time in this relationship with me. Okay. Now let's see, Libra, how you feel them, or how they feel about you. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. How Libra people feel about them, and how uh, they feel about Libra. Hierophant. Okay. So we have the Hierophant. So you feel about them as somebody who is, taking guidance from people, who is working towards their own growth, who is working towards their own success, towards their own expansion. Okay, you feel about them as somebody who is uh, taking a lot of guidance from people, taking a lot of guidance from their loved ones, from their family, from their elders. So you feel about them as somebody who is investing their time in their own expansion, in their own success, in their own growth, right? On the other hand, Libra, your person feels about you with this King of Pentacles card, that this person is perhaps projecting themselves as a king, but this person doesn't have the most valuable things of life, and that is emotion. Okay, they see you, or they feel about you that you are somebody who has everything in life. Okay, you are the king, so perhaps you have a lot of material things with you. Okay, perhaps you are the one who has a lot of money with you. Okay, perhaps you are the one who has a great job or great career with you, but yes, at the end of the day, you are completely all alone. You have no one to share your heart. You have no one to share your good and bad things. You have no one to share your good and bad experiences of life. Okay, you have no one to share your sorrows, your victories, your achievements, or your failures. Okay, so they feel about you, Libra, that you are somebody who is like emotionally distanced from people, even though you go on parties, or you are like so friendly, but when it comes to true emotion, you have no one to share your emotions, right? Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship, Libra, and how they feel in this relationship. Ace of Swords. With Ace of Swords card, Libra, I feel that you really want to start something new, or really wish to start something new with your person, or perhaps you are being somebody who wants your person to chase you, who wants your person to pursue you, who wants your person to go after you. Okay, you want some action in this relationship. Okay, perhaps you are trying to move out from this four of cups energy, or you want to move out from this four of cups energy. But yes, it all depends on you, how much determined you are towards this relationship or towards your person. Okay, so something is there which you really want to start something, start in this relationship. Perhaps you really want to talk to your person, perhaps you want to make a move towards your person. So something is there which you are wanting in this relationship, or perhaps you are asking your, or perhaps you want your person to take certain action towards you, right? On the other hand, we have eight of wands. So Libra, with this card, your person feels that they should move out from this relationship as fast as they can. Okay, or perhaps I feel that your person is being somebody who wants something new, or who wants somebody who can communicate with them, or I'm seeing some communication is taking place with this eight of wands card. Libra people, with this eight of wands card, I feel that your person is thinking about this relationship, that they should end this relationship. Okay, I told you that they are moving out, or they have given up, but now they don't want to be in this relationship anymore. Okay, so they just want to close this relationship as soon as they can, but they don't want to but they really want to talk to you before, before ending this relationship, or before officially announcing that they don't want you in their life. So they really want to talk to you before taking any steps, right? Now let's see, Libra, what is going to be the future potential for this relationship. What's going to be the future potential? So we have nine of cups and six of pentacles. Libra people, with these two cards, I feel that it's you who's going to take certain action towards your partner. Okay, perhaps now you are feeling that, hey, there is somebody else in my life, I should also give my equal importance or equal attention to this person as well. Okay, so you are going to bring balance into your life. Perhaps you are in third party situation, perhaps you are with somebody else, okay, apart from your this person, this partner. But eventually you will realize that, okay, there is somebody who is who is waiting for me, okay, is who wants to hear something from me, so I should give something to them as well. But on the other hand, Libra, I feel that it's your person who does not want to listen anything from you. Okay, they have so many emotions for you, they have a lot of emotions for you, but at this point of time, this person does not want to listen to your any excuses. Okay, they feel that whatever excuses you give them, those all I mean, all of these excuses are nothing but a waste of time. Okay, so they don't want to invest a single minute in you, right? So they have emotions with them. Okay, perhaps they are being somebody who, I mean, a lot of people must be chasing them, but now at this point of time they have closed their heart for everyone. They are at peace. Okay, they are energetic towards their future. They are being very enthusiastic about their own growth, or own expansion, or own success. So they have closed their heart for everyone, including you, Libra. Okay, so they don't want you in their life anymore. Okay, so they have put on their curtains behind their back. They don't want you to be enter in their zone, right? Very sad, Libra. Now let's see what angels are trying to tell you. It's up to you. It's up to you within the next few weeks. Okay, so Libra people, angels are trying to tell you is that it is up to you that how um, passionately or how enthusiastically you are going to approach or you are approaching to your person. Okay, and I feel that angels are also uh, trying to tell you that within the next few weeks you are definitely going to take certain action towards your person. Okay, so they are going to welcome you in their life one more time or not. That is completely up to you. That is completely up to your approach, how you are approaching them, right? Hmm. So Libra people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Four of Cups and Nine of Cups. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands and Eight of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ace of Swords and Five of Swords. And some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with the Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. Okay, so Libra people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.